Balay me penstamben niya nga.
Why are you persecuting me?
Maliway ka na!
Who are you, Lord?
Nga dayo Jesus.
The word says, I am Jesus.
Babre bab. Jesus.
Jesus?
Jesus!
And that is how Saul must have fell from the horse.
Shisha!
They all got scared, but it's okay. He's not hurt. You know, our pastor is a very good actor. Let us clap for our pastor.
Kani ka diging siya ka Shisha.
And this is what had happened.
Uhap kum tu usol peleng nang ni sti jbing.
Now imagine Saul had fallen like that.
Tau khlam yap.
He did not die.
Roi trai.
Praise the Lord.
Umi nang tai ta kung malanga ba khlam malanga mi ngayibi.
But Saul came out blinded, but pastor did not come out like that.
Oh, umi nang ta ula malla.
He came out of there blinded.